Today, Samsung and Google are changing reality as we know it. Meet the Galaxy XR, the world's first device built on Android XR, a brand new operating system designed for next-generation headsets and glasses. Android XR merges Google Gemini's intelligence with an awareness of your surroundings, creating an entirely new way to work, play, and explore. It's not just virtual reality, it's reality, reimagined. With Galaxy XR, your screen is infinite, moves seamlessly between a completely immersive virtual world and your real environment, and navigate it all naturally using your voice, hands, and eyes. Since it's built on Android, Galaxy XR gives you access to millions of apps from Google Play, including reimagined versions of Google Maps, YouTube, Google TV, Chrome, and Meet. Plus, new experiences from studios like Adobe, Calm, MLB, and Fox Sports. Transform any room into your personal cinema. Watch your favorite movies, explore YouTube's massive 360-degree library, or relive your memories now in stunning 3D with Google Photos. Take a walk through Tokyo, fly over the Grand Canyon, or revisit your childhood home all in breathtaking detail through Immersive View in Google Maps. And, with Gemini, just ask, "What's that landmark?" and get instant answers. See something you like? Just use Circle to search to find it online without breaking your flow. Galaxy XR is also built for creators and professionals. Open multiple apps at once, organize your workspace with a glance, or link your PC for a complete desktop experience. With tools like Adobe's Project Pulsar and Concepts, your creativity truly knows no limits. And, with Gemini built right in, your headset becomes a true AI partner. Ask Gemini to help you brainstorm, organize your workspace, or take action, all through simple conversation. The Samsung Galaxy XR is available today starting at $1,799 or $149 per month on Samsung.com and select stores in the US and Korea. Get the exclusive Explorer Pack including 12 months of Google AI Pro, YouTube Premium, Google Play Pass, and even the full 2025 to 2026 NBA League Pass. This is your all-access pass to the future. Is this the future of virtual reality? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the latest tech news.